Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eve here again. So today I'm going to show you the edible ingredients that I put in my black soap. This is going to help fight acne, get rid of dark spots and suntan. It's also going to improve your skin complexion and give you an overall even skin tone. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So as you can see over here, I've got my black African soap. I got this from Amazon and this is about 500 grams. With the help of a grater, I will grate my black soap. Next, I'll come in with about 3 tablespoonfuls of sugar, a half tablespoonful of cinnamon, and a tablespoonful of coconut oil. I will come in with about a teaspoonful of turmeric powder, and I will squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Afterwards, I will come in with about a teaspoonful of kojic acid. As you can see, it's in the powdered form. And I will come in with about 100 ml of goat's milk. With the help of my ladle, I'll mix everything up. Afterwards, I will get a container and transfer everything inside. And I'll keep this in my bathroom cabinet. So this is how to use it. You just take a little bit and rub it on the affected area, especially if you have acne on your face. Just put it on your face and leave it for about a minute. Afterwards, just rinse it off with lukewarm water. This will not leave your skin or your face dry. I hear many people complain that black soap is a little bit harsh for the face. They claim it dries out the face, but with all these ingredients, it has really diluted it, so it is not going to be that harsh on your face. The sugar will help silken out your skin. Goat's milk is very great for those who have hyperpigmentation and acne marks. Turmeric also helps you achieve a clearer skin. Kojic acid is a brightening agent which is going to help improve your skin texture and complexion. So basically, I use this as my everyday soap. It can be used on the body as well as the face. So I hope you did enjoy this and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.